Hi, I'm Jeff Ledbetter, Roundtable Product Architect. Today I want to show you some new features we added in Roundtable TSMS 12.5 to improve our integration with Jira. So I've already gotten started on this. We can see I have a task that I've created and I've already hooked it to a Jira issue. We can see that I've inherited the description from the Jira issue, and we can see the versions that I've already created in this task. I've also already applied a couple of transitions to this task, and we can see the issue has been updated here as well with the comments for those transitions. Now, what I want to point out is I've added a couple of custom fields to my Jira issues. We have a field called Roundtable Task Objects, and I have a field called Roundtable Task. So the improvement is when I complete this task, we're going to populate those fields for you. So let me see how this works. So I'm going to choose complete, and I choose continue. The task is successfully completed. Now if I go to my Jira issue and refresh the screen, we now see that the Roundtable task objects and the Roundtable task that were associated with this Jira issue have now been updated. How cool is that? So check out the README file in your Roundtable installation so you can see how to do this yourself in your own Roundtable environment.